So I just got this glass shaker. This is for salt. It's for salt bottle, and I like it because it can give you just the right and the fixed quantity of salt that you need. So this is the bottle. It has information at the top that tells you how much daily consumption of salt you should have, and it also shows that this is 0.5 grams of salt that comes out, and this is in a glass bottle, which is very important for your health. Plastic bottles are not the best, not the safest, so I do like that this comes in a glass bottle. So as you can see, I filled this up with some salt. So I have table salt and some Himalayan salt in there. So what you're gonna do is to use this, you turn the salt bottle upside down like this. It fills up with the right amount of salt, and then you press the button at the top, and just the right amount of salt comes out, nothing more, nothing less. So this is a very good tool to have, salt shaker to have, especially if you're someone that you're health conscious and you're very conscious about your consumption of salt. Just know that daily, every day, you need about less than 6 grams of salt, and this provides you with 0.5 grams, which is just perfect if you don't want to consume too much salt.